everyone. This is our final weekly overview. So you all have done a great job. I really enjoyed reading your reader's guides this past couple weeks. I was really impressed with those. So if you can see, this week we have a pretty simple week coming up because we are really just wrapping up the final draft of your portfolio. So also, if you have not done the course evaluations for this course or any of your courses, please take the time to do those, and I have a link to that. Okay, so you're revising anything that you need to work on from Portfolio Check 2, and then turning in those revisions basically within this Portfolio Check 3. So the only thing you're kind of adding the finishing touches here, is you're creating the cover page. Someone asked me if they could add a picture besides a picture of yourself, and that's fine if you want to include something besides a picture of yourself. And then you're going to do the portfolio introduction, and if you look in the assignment, there are some tips on what you might say in that. And then proofreading and editing your portfolio. Okay, so you're submitting one more portfolio check this week, and then by Friday at 11:59 p.m. You are submitting the final draft of your portfolio. Okay, so the rubric is here for you to look at, and it's very similar to the submission that you did for the reader's guide, where you're going to make sure everything is complete and then save it as a PDF with your last name and portfolio there. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you've got it all squared away before you submit the PDF. One more thing that's happening that is not on our schedule, let me get back to our page here, is if you're in any, if you have face-to-face classes, you have an exam scheduled. We do not have an exam, but we do have to do something that is exam-like. So I have a very low stress, just reflective assignment that I have you do, and I'm going to put it up probably on Monday, and then you'll have, I'll give you a week to complete it. And it's just going to be a 300-word response I'll put up a question that is basically about your learning in the course, your thoughts on writing, research, etc. So it shouldn't be anything too stressful, and as long as you complete it and get to the 300 words, you should get full credit for it. And it will be factored into the portfolio checks, that portion of your grade. I forget the actual title of that category, but the category of your grade where your portfolio process work is. Okay, so I'll put that up, and there will be a due date for the following week. It really probably will take you about 30 minutes to complete, and that will act as kind of our final. So that's it for this week, and I have enjoyed having you all in class, and I thought you guys did a very impressive job on your reader's guides, and please let me know if you have any questions. Bye.